Why you're always tired and how to fix it. Are you tired all the time? No matter how many hours you sleep, do you wake up feeling drained? Well, you're not alone. 80% of people in the UK and USA suffer from this exact issue, and today I'm going to share with you the simple but effective steps to boost your energy and feel awake again. Stick with me because you won't believe how easy it is to fix this. Feeling constantly tired or fatigued is something many of us experience. Whether you're at work, at school, or just trying to get through the day, it can be overwhelming. But the good news is, you don't have to just accept it. Let's dive into why this happens and how you can fix it in just a few easy steps. Reason 1. Poor sleep quality. First off, let's talk about sleep. It's no secret that getting enough sleep is crucial for feeling energized. But what if I told you that it's not just about the hours you spend in bed? Many people suffer from poor sleep quality, meaning even if you sleep 7 to 8 hours, you're not getting the restorative deep sleep you need. To fix this, try sleeping in a dark room. Lights disrupt your sleep cycle. Avoid screen time for an hour before bed. Your phone or computer screens emit blue light, which messes with your sleep hormone, melatonin. Keep your room cool and comfortable. It can make a huge difference in how restful your sleep is. Reason 2. Dehydration. Next, let's talk about dehydration. Believe it or not drinking enough water can leave you feeling sluggish and drained. In fact, just being 2% dehydrated can lead to a noticeable drop in energy. The solution? Start your day with a glass of water and keep a water bottle with you throughout the day. Aim for at least 8 cups a day. Hydration is one of the simplest and most effective ways to boost your energy. Reason 3. Poor diet choices. Another huge factor is your diet. We all know that junk food may taste good, but it leaves you feeling tired and sluggish. Processed foods and sugary snacks cause energy crashes that make you feel like you need a nap. Instead, try to eat foods that fuel your body. Whole grains like oats and quinoa for steady energy. Lean proteins like chicken or beans to keep you feeling full. Healthy fats from avocado and nuts to power your brain. Start focusing on whole, natural foods and you'll notice a difference in your energy levels right away. Reason 4. Lack of physical activity. Now, let's talk about exercise. It might sound strange, but moving your body gives you energy even when you're tired. Exercise releases endorphins, the body's natural mood boosters. A quick 20-minute walk or stretch can do wonders for your energy. Even if you can't do a full workout, try to move around every hour. It's an easy and effective way to fight fatigue. Reason 5. Stress and mental health. Finally, stress plays a huge role in your energy levels. Chronic stress can leave you mentally drained, which, in turn, makes you physically tired. Try practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation. Even just a few minutes of quiet time can lower your stress and restore your energy. And if you find yourself feeling stressed often, talk to someone, a friend, family member, or professional. Sometimes sharing the load can make a world of difference. Bonus tip: mindset shift. Here's a bonus tip. Your mindset matters. If you constantly tell yourself you're tired, guess what? You will be. Shift your thinking to an energetic and positive mindset and watch your body respond. Visualize yourself full of energy, and soon you'll start feeling it. Let's recap. To stop feeling tired all the time, improve your sleep quality, stay hydrated throughout the day, eat whole, natural foods, move your body regularly, manage stress effectively. And remember, your mindset plays a huge role in how you feel too. Start making these changes today, and you'll notice a boost in your energy. Want more life-changing tips? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos that help you live your best life. Leave a comment below if you've tried any of these tips, or if you have any energy-boosting hacks of your own. Until next time, stay energized and take charge of your day. Thanks for watching. Stay energized with more tips here.